service to the nation, he was awarded the Ati Vishal Seva Medal, AVSM, by the Honorable President of India on 26 January 2025.
कौन स्कूल को मुद्रा सम्मान कर अपने निरीक्षण के लिए हजरत
Very good morning to all of Captain Madhu Sengar, Commander Sandeep Dev, Senior Master, member of the staff, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. सबसे पहले तो ये जो सुबह है बहुत ही अच्छी से शुरू हुई मेरी. I am very happy to see such a smart turnout and the nice faces, and it gets me back to those days when I was a student here. वो मेरी यादें ताज़ा हो जाती हैं तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और इसके लिए मैं आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ. आप और जो भी आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं, एनसीसी इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं, जिन्होंने आपको इतना स्मार्ट टर्नआउट के लिए करके यहाँ पे लाए हैं आपको. Standing here today at this parade ground of my alma mater is not merely a visit for me. It's an emotional homecoming. Every corner of this campus, every echo of marching boots on these grounds, and every memory of morning roll calls shaped the boy I once was like you, and paved way for the officer I eventually became. It is here in these very classrooms, dormitories, that discipline became a habit, courage became a companion, and service to the nation became a purpose. Yesterday I went around the school, I took a silent tour, and I could recollect those fond memories which I had of this place, and it was very nice feeling, and it actually filled me with so much of energy. Today I am standing on the 60th year of my birth, and I feel like an 18 years or 16-year boy, which I was when I left this school. As an alumnus, it gives me immense pride to formally present to the school a model of INS Sahyadri, a symbol of India's maritime strength, precision, and technological excellence. This gesture is not merely an offering of a model, it is an offering of an inspiration. May this model remind every cadet that the ocean of opportunities awaiting them is vast, deep, and full of promise. If you are aware, those who keep themselves updated with the latest developments, even the UN has declared this as a decade of oceans, and it is a general feeling and true feeling that the future of this humanity lies in the oceans, because ocean forms the major part of this earth continent, and we need to guard them, we need to protect them, and also we need to exploit the resources for the good of mankind in a sustainable manner. When I say sustainable manner means we should not out-exploit, but to meet the needs of the humanity. Coming back to INS Sahyadri, indigenously built multi-role steel frigate of Indian Navy, Shivali class, commissioned in 2012. It is equipped with advanced steel features, weapon systems for anti-air, anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare. The frigate plays a key role in Navy's operational deployment and exercises, including recent participation in exercise Malabar 2022 and JMX 2025. Now, Malabar 2025 and JMX 2025. As I speak to you today, INS Sahyadri is in the Pacific Ocean doing exercises with the foreign navies, and so this that is the relevance of this model. INS Sahyadri represents meticulous planning, scientific spirit and unwavering dedication, the very qualities instilled in us at Sainik School Kapurthala. Just as the vessel surveys unknown waters to chart safe passages, may each of you survey the challenges ahead and navigate with them with wisdom, courage and clarity. Cadets, I stand before you as not as a vice admiral, but as someone who once wore the same uniform you proudly wear today. I too stood in morning assemblies with a shining but slightly oversized belt buckle, attended PT classes half sleepy, and competed fiercely for house pride. And yesterday I was very happy to know that Bhagat House, which was my last house where I studied my 9th, 10th and 10th, 11th and 12th class, from where I passed out, has done extremely well. And in fact, I could see the josh when I visited the house. So it reminds me of my days. What carried me forward was not the brilliance, but consistency, not privilege, but perseverance, and not shortcuts, but sincere efforts. And that's what you must imbibe in you. The efforts you put in will bear fruit and will bear results. One of the greatest lessons which I learned here was the true meaning of seniority, not authority, but responsibility. When you're senior, you don't become authoritative, but you become more responsible. As a cadet, my seniors shaped my discipline, confidence and character with their quiet guidance and firm example. And I was told that most of the senior classes are here, so we expect same from you, so that your juniors, they can learn from you and they follow your footsteps. The Navy reinforced the same truth. The real seniors lead by examples, inspire through competence and lift others by integrity. Cadets, respect your seniors and learn from them. For this chain of guidance builds the discipline, unity and excellence that define our school and the armed forces. Remember this, the Sainik School Kapurthala does not simply prepare you for exams, it prepares you for life. The discipline you learn here will stay with you in every mission you undertake. The friendship you cultivate will anchor you through storms, and the values you imbibe, integrity, leadership and service will define every stripe and star you earn in your life ahead. Now I want to quote a small example here. Like you have come from various places all over India, from your villages, your friends, your relatives, your childhood friends, they are studying in various schools. You won't find a more dedicated staff than what you find here. They are at your service. Why I call it service? Actually, teachers should not be at your service, they should be guiding. But still I use this word because they are at your service at 24/7, 365 days. So this is the kind of dedication they have. So you don't need to go out and search for role models or heroes. They are here very much. They stand behind me here. They are behind me here, and these are people who showed us what the dedication, what the perseverance, and what is a service means. Like I remember my days when we used to study in prep classes. If you have any doubt, the teachers used to come from their home. They also had their children there. They had their families there. They had their guests there. But they used to leave them all behind and come here to clear our doubts. So please learn from them. If nobody else, at least they will guide you, and keep this thing in your mind and teach this thing to your generations which will follow you. I urge you to dream boldly, dream of commanding ships, of flying aircraft, of leading troops, of serving the nation in ways you can. And when you falter, because every journey has moments of doubt, remember that thousands of alumni who once sat where you sit went to define excellence across armed forces and many other disciplines in this world. My teachers, many of whom I see represented in spirit today, remain the architects of whatever I have achieved. To the staff and faculty, I offer my deep gratitude. The sacrifices you make, the hours you invest, and the values you impart shape generations of leaders who serve India with pride and dignity. As I unveil the model of Sahyadri today, I dedicate it to this great institution, a temple of learning, a cradle of leadership, and an ever-growing flame of patriotism. May it stand here as a reminder to every cadet that the ocean is not a limit, it is an invitation. Thank you and Jai Hind.
जय शिवान, शिवान, गार्ड्स को विसर्जित करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। अनुमति है। जय शिवान।
We have assembled here on this auspicious occasion to witness the inauguration of INS Sahyadri by our esteemed Chief Guest, Vice